Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, your Roblox username and access to the linked email or phone. Once ready, sign in on a trusted device and open account settings. If you have a saved list of recovery codes, locate that file or paper now. Make sure two-factor authentication is visible in your Security tab. This is where recovery codes are used. Start the recovery process immediately by choosing the two-factor problem option, because timing avoids lockouts and keeps the account secure for the next steps. You now continue by opening Security and choosing two-step verification options. Once there, pick the option to use a recovery code instead of the authenticator. Type one recovery code exactly as saved, matching characters and hyphens, because a single mistyped digit will fail. After acceptance, Roblox will permit access and often prompt to set a new authenticator or generate new codes. Make sure to note which code was consumed so you can safely remove it from your stored list to prevent reuse confusion later. You finish by regenerating backup codes and storing them in multiple safe places, such as an encrypted file and a physical printout, because redundancy prevents future lockouts. Once done, re-enable your preferred two-factor method and test a sign-out sign-in cycle to confirm everything works. If a recovery code fails, try a different one and pause between attempts to avoid temporary lockout. If you lose all codes and cannot access 2FA, contact Roblox support with account proof so they can verify identity and restore access.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.